guys, welcome to my channel today. Today in this video, anin ko sa Pilipinas kag si ang imo YouTuber nga naka-drawing si Lolo Henry na tigulang na siya. So ako di mabulos ma-video. So wait. So thanks for waiting because I'm peeing myself in the bathroom. So interesting. How about different challenges here? Take the three songs of letter. Okay. Okay, we're going to outside. Hello, I'm in the outside now. So the outside is so fresh and then Lola Henry. So this is so good. So I know. Ay Lola Henry, nahulam ko.
Eh, Lolo Henry, yan ako no.
Nahilam ko.
Ano ka?
Ito, yan mo, Lolo Henry.
Ibalik na to. Ibalik na to. Yung ka
So interesting. Goodbye guys. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.